Hello, welcome to Module 6. Module 6 is the first module for Unit 2 of the course. Module 6 is going to focus on social cognition. Social cognition means that the way we think about ourselves and others is highly influenced by social factors. Be sure to read the chapter associated with social cognition, as well as to review the PowerPoint slides for this chapter. In Module 6, you will be completing a discussion post. You will be completing your peer responses to discussion posts, and you will be taking your module quiz. In addition to those assignments, you will also be completing Unit 2 video response. Unit 2 video response will focus on attribution theory. When we're thinking about social interaction, we're going to understand our own behavior differently than the behavior we see in others. We have several biases in social cognition. These biases are very interesting because they look at something called attribution theory. And attribution theory is basically an understanding of how we explain specific behavior. We have the fundamental attribution error, actor-observer effect, as well as the self-serving bias. Social psychologists and attribution theory provide a really interesting lens of understanding how we interpret our own behavior and the behavior of others. In the Western world, we tend to be biased against ourselves. And what we basically do is we take personal responsibility for successes while we tend to blame our failures on the situation. We also tend to be more harsh on other people. That means that we attribute their failures to personal dispositions. I'd like you to think about the social influences on how we think about ourselves and others as we move through Module 6. I will see you back in the instructions for Module 7.